In this video, we will automated vector database or Pinecone update with Google Drive. We simply upload file into our Google Drive and store PDF data or file data on database. I use here Pinecone. Let's start our task. At first we create a workflow. It will rename load data from Pinecone. We rename it from load data from drive to Pinecone. You can also download workflow from my Google a GitHub link and simply import it on your workflow. Let's click plus and search Google Drive. Google Drive. On change a specific folder. Here we need to connect our Google account. I am connected. If you are already connected, you can show this. If not connected, you just click create new credential and let process the procedure of connection. Already collected. Every minute a specific folder. I search my Google Drive. Use Tesla Drive. Here is my file TS folder. TS. We will connect our Google account that already connected, and my folder is need to specific file. You can file select or folder select. Our use is folder. Folder is Tesla TS. Yes, Tesla. You will create it. Now we face our yes. So we get our Tesla file. Get information here. Now we back to our notes. Google Drive again. We use download file. Same here we connected our Google account. File. Yes, we set a download file from file. It will be dynamic. We set here file ID. Simply we set file ID. It should be test. Yeah, so it's our file. Yeah, it's a same file in our drive. Sample drive. Now it plus and search vector vector stars there is lots of vector stores. We use Pinecone vector stores and is add the command to vector store. We need to create account already. If not connected, we need to create credential from here. We need to log in our Pinecone account, and it will be link database. As you can see, create index. Too slow. Waiting. Small. Index. Now our index, get our index, zero, text. We need a namespace for here. So TSL and add in. Close this and connect to our text. Now we add embedding model, OpenAI, connect this one. Then now we add data load. Yes, this data is not JSON data, it is binary data. So we add the binary automatically typed. I close this and add text splinter. Add yes. The services. Now we run the test workflow. Before this, I already tested a get count.43 already exists for test purpose. Now we will run this again. Test workflow. Wait, this is working. Next video we will access this data from our chatbot. When we upload any PDF from this folder, it will be automatically trigger this note every minute and update this database, and then we access this from our chatbot. Actually it's where it's used in company, example HR policy upload their Google Drive, and directly user can access this from chat box query. It's a HR automation. It's part HR automation. We can use this RAG database, RAG Forces AI chat model. Thanks for watching this video. I will provide you all description link also. If any question, please ask on comment. I will try to best answer to you.